In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Hostinger email account with Gmail. This process will allow you to manage both personal and professional communications in one convenient place. Whether you're running a business or simply want to streamline your email management, this step-by-step guide has everything you need to get started. First, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're using a web browser on your computer for the best experience. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and hit enter. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. There's a small gear icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Now find the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Here you can manage the accounts associated with your Gmail, including importing contacts and emails from other services. What we're interested in is the option that says Add a mail account. You'll find it under the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Click on this option. A prompt will appear, asking you to enter the email address you wish to integrate. This is where you enter your Hostinger email address. With your Hostinger email address entered, you'll need to configure the server settings. This step might seem a little technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. For the incoming server settings, choose the IMAP protocol, which allows you to access your email from multiple devices, keeping everything synced across all of them. Enter imaphostinger.com as the incoming server address. Next, you need to configure the outgoing server settings. This will allow you to send email from your Hostinger account straight from Gmail. Enter smtphostinger.com for the outgoing server. Usually, both IMAP and SMTP servers require authentication, so be prepared to enter your username and password associated with your Hostinger email account. Once you've input all these details, Gmail will prompt you to complete the setup and verify your connection. This step ensures that emails can be sent and received through your Hostinger account without any hiccups. It's a good idea to double-check every detail here. Typos in server names or credentials can cause issues. After completing the setup, take a moment to test everything out. Try sending a test email to ensure that your outgoing server is correctly configured. Check for new emails a few minutes later to confirm your incoming server settings are good to go. And that's it. You're all set to manage your Hostinger email account from your Gmail inbox with ease. By consolidating your emails, you'll save time and maintain a more organized inbox. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.